Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the D8 Open Data for Agriculture side event at EFPRI. During the past 2 days, we have been part of the GH International Conference on Open Data for Agriculture at the World Bank, where we heard the importance of opening our data coming from research. We need to move to structured data so it is understandable by humans and also machine readable, designing for APIs, being capable of managing larger masses of data. Many country representatives expressed they are ready to move in this direction, which will contribute in the well-being of their people with informed decisions for agricultural development. Today, we welcome you and the 8 speakers to the side event D8 Open Data for Agriculture, where we will be able to see the different gradients of data that has come from research at EFPRI and the sources where they can be used to be part of the bigger world of open data.